What's going on? Welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna do a time-lapse video of me building my wheels. I have plans to do like a how-to, but there's a lot of how-tos out there that's a lot better than I think I can do anyways. And I'm not as thorough as some people is out there, so I don't think I'm gonna do that many more how-to videos. I mean, I still wanna get this, I guess, a video of me doing this anyways. So it's gonna be like a time-lapse video, fast forward by a lot. And let's see how it goes. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Came out pretty good. Won't do a video for the front because, as you can see, it's the same process front and rear. And you know what? I forgot. I kind of paused it, did the tension on the floor with my sandals, and I didn't record it back. And I was already done. I didn't feel like doing it again. But yeah. So till next time.